We have here the OPPO A17. Ito siyang premium leather feel design. Ito po yung itsura niya, leather feel na yung back. Parang yung wallet yung mamahalin. 50 megapixel AI camera, 5,000 mAh of long-lasting battery, and up to 4 gigs of extended RAM na 64 gigabytes pa siya. Storage up to 1 terabyte via micro SD card. Guys, abot kaya po to. But of course, alamin mo natin kung okay siya. Gastusan. Look at that. Para siyang lock sa iPhone dati. It looks so nice. At oo nga, very skin-friendly. Hindi siya magaspang, and it feels like real leather. That's a nice texture. And look at that body, box-type design. I just love that. Pag nakita ko ng itong klaseng itsura, yung shape, naiinlove ako agad. At ayun na nga, yung bago ngayon, yung big camera design. Big lens. Then display ay water drop notch. 6.56-inch, 720p HD+, IPS LCD display. The bezels are okay, the chain is okay. Naka-Helio G35 processor na siya. 113,000 points sa Antutu benchmark. Wow, I was not expecting this kind of image quality coming from this display. Kasi nga, nakalagay lang 720p. Ngunit, napakaganda po ng video dito. Although, tingnan nyo po yan, kaya doon niya up to 4K 60 frames per second. Ayan, meron siyang game engine turned on. May bago po siyang panel dito. Pwede mag-pro gamer mode. Pwede may click yung game status. Ayun, lalabas yung FPS. Nice. Meron siyang game focus mode. Turn on din natin to para walang istorbo. Playing the game at napakasarap po ng likod niya. Very comfortable. It is that well built.